YouTube, what is up? It is me, Devontae, once again with another back-to-back video. And today, right now, I want to talk about what to do when you upload a video. Alright? So basically, you're going to want to put some tags in it, put your flavor on it, and what I like to do, I like to share it on my Facebook page right away. That's what I do. That's my first step, and make sure, I properly categorize my video. I share it on my Facebook page. But I also go to ibotoolbox and go to press release, and I create a press release, okay, about my video. Alright, so I'm going to go to my video. Okay, this is my video. I'm gonna go to share, go to embed. I'm gonna copy this whole code right here. Copy that code. And I can also make a different video showing you guys how to create YouTube thumbnails for your videos as well. But yeah, that's a different video. Alright, so once you grab your embedded code, go back to ibotoolbox and click insert video and go to embedded, and then just paste that code in there and then hit OK, and then bam, there's the video, and then you can exit out. Alright, bam. And then I'm going to show you guys how effective it is to add a video with your press release. I'm going to show you exactly how effective that is. Alright, so I just typed up my review. If you guys want to check out the entire review, you can go to my profile on ibotoolbox, or you can create your own account, which is free. Links will be in the description. But yeah, I'm almost finished with my press release. I just want to put my link in here. Last year being broke plan. Jesus, cannot spell it. .com. Alright, and then I'm going to do a hyperlink just real quick. Copy that hyperlink, www.lastyearbeingbroke. Alright, so I got my video, got my YouTube link, and my review here. Good review talking about not lease ad space, but local Bitcoins. Now, make sure this content is authentic. Double check this right here and publish. Alright, and then I get 100 credits. I get 100 credits for making a press release. You can use those credits to get more advertising, run your ad banners, and you can only post 2 press releases per day. Alright, now I'm going to go to the dashboard. I'm going to show you why it's important to post on this platform, because people come to this platform daily, and once you post something, here it is right here. I can give myself a like. Give myself a like. Alright? How to obtain Bitcoin even with cash. Look at press release. You will see my video. A video review. So do a review on your video after you post your video. Alright, so it could be a nice presentation like this. It could be a nice presentation here. Alright, so we got my website. You can click my video. I should have put my YouTube link in there, my channel link, but that's alright. And yeah, this talks about local Bitcoins. I even put in my referral link to local Bitcoins right here. And then yes, this is how you would do that. And yeah, that's just what I would do if, because once you post a video on YouTube, that doesn't mean you're going to get, you want to get as much views as possible, So once you post a video, send the video to your leads via your autoresponder, your marketing system. Send a video to your leads via your marketing system, as well as ibotoolbox, Facebook, Instagram. You can post videos on Instagram. You can say, hey guys, I just posted this video on YouTube. Go check it out. Links in the bio on Instagram. Alright, so yeah, just some mass marketing. Like once you marketing on top of marketing, trying to slam traffic. That's how you slam traffic, by sending your links all over the World Wide Web. Okay, And I'm gonna show you one more tip with the YouTube videos. At the end of all my YouTube videos, I got this right here. Watch and share my latest video. Alright, so it's like a web. Alright, so this video is connected to this video, so it's kind of like a spider web. You know, hence the World Wide Web. So hopefully that makes sense. That's very powerful information. If you guys found this video very helpful and valuable, leave a like and tell me about how it helped you. Thanks for watching, guys. My name is Mr. Graves. See you on the inside. Peace.